In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on PayPal in just 5 minutes. Whether you've encountered an issue with a purchase or you're simply not satisfied and wish to return your item, it's crucial to know how to navigate PayPal's refund process effectively. To begin, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Look for the login option, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter your registered email address and associated password. Once you've entered your credentials correctly, click the login button to access your account dashboard. Now that you're logged into your PayPal account, navigate to the activity section. This is where you can view all your recent transactions. Depending on the layout of your account, you might also see an option labeled recent activity. Either of these will help you locate the transaction for which you need a refund. Once you've found the transaction in question, the next step is to reach out to the seller directly. You can do this by locating the seller's contact information, which should be visible in the details of the transaction. Send them a message explaining why you are requesting a refund. Be clear and polite in your explanation to increase the likelihood of a favourable outcome. If you're unable to resolve the issue directly with the seller, or if they refuse your refund request, PayPal offers a more formal solution. Head over to the Resolution Center. In this section, you can open a dispute directly with PayPal. Provide as many details as possible about the purchase and the reasons behind your request. Make sure to cover any attempts you've already made to resolve the issue with the seller. Once the dispute is filed, PayPal will notify the seller and give them an opportunity to respond. It's important to note that this process can take some time, as PayPal tries to mediate and resolve the issue amicably. If the dispute cannot be resolved within 20 days, you have the option to escalate it to a claim. By escalating the dispute to a claim, you're requesting PayPal to step in and make a final decision. PayPal will then review all the details provided, assess the situation, and make a determination regarding the refund. And that's how you can efficiently navigate the refund process on PayPal. Remember to always keep a record of all communications and transactions for your personal reference. This can be incredibly helpful not only for resolving disputes but also for managing your purchases effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your PayPal transactions.